But do you recall the greatest cereal of them all? That's right, folks. General Mills is hitting home runs. First they brought us Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and now Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Even comes complete with Hermes hat, marshmallows, hot cocoa flavored cereal, so we're pretty excited about this. Now I did find that the first ingredient in this guy is whole grain corn. Whole grain wheat, whole grain corn. Completely different cereal. At least in the ingredients, I hate when cereal companies repurpose the same cereal with a different theme. Feels kind of weak. At least we got something new going on here. We'll see what that tastes like. I know it's a competing brand, but this smells an awful lot like either Cocoa Crisp or Cocoa Pebbles. Some marshmallows in there, there we go. It's got that corn syrup shine on it. I wish you could smell that. It does have such a nice smell. Again, a lot of comments, a lot of messages. These bowls are from Williams-Sonoma. Maybe you can get them on Amazon. If you can, I'll put a link in the bottom. Let's get some milk in this thing and try it. Oh, wait a second. All right. I like milk in my cereal. Some people do, you know, just eat the cereal right out of the box. That's not my style. I'm going to give it a second here to soften up. This says this the 60th anniversary of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the TV special. I don't know if they show it on TV anymore. It's kind of really super cool and inventive the way they did it. If you like the movie Elf, right, you'll find a lot of the Elf movie was pulled from Rudolph as inspiration, and really super cool, including, you know, obviously the Yeti, the Abominable in the beginning, and kind of the way that they, you know, freeze frame around. I wish they would have did more with Hermie the dentist. Either way, while we let the cereal, you know, absorb the milk in a little bit, I think it's really really nice to see that historical value of an original carried on in a new and inventive way. So let's see if the cereal can do that for us. This definitely has more of a Count Chocula vibe because it has the marshmallows. You know, back when you used to get a healthy serving of artificial marshmallows in your Count Chocula cereal. It does have that crossover between like a Cocoa Pebbles, but it doesn't have the same crunch. This is actually really good. I'm not sure which holiday cereal I like best, so I will buy them both again, and I'll have to continuously run tests to see at the end of 100 boxes which one did I prefer. Good stuff. You'd even hang with Rudolph and friends. Hot cocoa. Does it taste like hot cocoa? Not so much. Again, it just tastes like a really good chocolate syrup cereal. Those of you who like chocolate flavored cereals. General Mills, I think, did a good job this year, bringing us 2 holiday offerings that I haven't seen before. Let me know if you've seen them before. Definitely hit that thumbs up. Follow us here. We have a bunch of new things coming out. Some of them will be drinks. We're getting some holiday festive drinks. Follow us for those, and we'll see you next week. I gotta go finish this bowl before it gets soggy.